Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Watch is Our Service. I hope all of you are doing great. Today I will do assembly of this movement, and the purpose of this video is just to show you guys the assembly of this movement. And by the way, this movement will not work even after assembly because its fourth wheel upper pivot is broken. Unfortunately, I can't even say this movement number or its name due to YouTube counterfeit policies, or else they will strike this video down. So now I will place the intermediate wheel, then escape wheel, and this is the fourth wheel, and above it there will be third wheel. Once they are at their respective place, I can put back the train bridge. Train bridge will have 3 screws. Once the train bridge is installed, I will put back the barrel bridge. And this is the ratchet wheel of this movement. We have to slide the ratchet wheel underneath of the click. By the way, barrel bridge will have 2 screws. And before putting back the crown wheel bridge, we have to do the keyless work. Here is the pallet fork. And this is the balance wheel. let's put back the whole automatic wheel section. It will also have total number of 2 screws. And before installing the rotor, we have to pull out this lever like this, and then we can install the rotor, and we have to again lock the lever. And here I was doing the keyless work, and we have to do the keyless work before installing the crown bridge. So this one is intermediate wheel for setting wheel, and this is setting wheel. Here goes the minute wheel, and this is the guard for all those 3 wheels. I think this wheel is for the GMT hand. Intermediate wheel for calendar driving wheel. Now I will install the jumper for date driving wheel. And then we can put back this plate, which is of calendar. And here we have successfully assembled this automatic movement.